Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to link or connect a TikTok account to a Facebook page. This is really useful if you're also active on TikTok and Facebook, then you can easily drive your Facebook page visitor to your TikTok account so people can follow you there as well and get a bigger reach for your brand or your business. This is just going to be a quick video tutorial, so if you want to get more details about how to link a TikTok account to a Facebook page, you can check out our comprehensive blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, where we also show you this process with screenshots, and you can also find hundreds of tutorials on social media marketing and Facebook marketing in general, and it's totally free. Links to this blog post I have mentioned and other free resources can be found in the description below. One more thing before the tutorial. If you want to get more Facebook page followers, more organic reach, without running Facebook ads, then check out our Facebook page growth checklist that you can download from our website, 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞, since we are giving it away for free. Links to the 50-point checklist in the description below. Alright, so the process is a little bit different whether you have a new Facebook page or a classic Facebook page, but both of them are quite easy, so I'm going to show you both of them. First, if you have a classic Facebook page, then all you have to do is open the Facebook page, scroll down to this About section, and click on Edit Page Info here. As you can see, here is a Twitter account already added, and you can also click on Edit Page Info here, and the process is going to be the same. So click on here, and then click on More tab here and scroll down. And as you can see, my Twitter account is already, a test account is added. And if we want to add a TikTok account, all we have to do is click on this plus icon here and then search for TikTok here and add our username of our account. So test name 2. And basically that's it. If we close this out, as you can see, the TikTok account is visible now here. And when a Facebook page visitor who doesn't have an admin access to the Facebook page opens this page, then he or she will be able to click through to the Twitter and the TikTok account and they can follow us there. One more thing to add is that you have to have a Facebook page admin access to the Facebook page to be able to add these social accounts. Alright, so this is basically the process if you have a classic Facebook page. Now, if you have a new Facebook page, you will know that because you can click on the Switch Now button here, which will switch to the admin user interface of the Facebook page. So click on here, and then all you have to do is click on Edit Details here and scroll down a little bit. Click on this pencil icon here and click on Add a Social Link twice. And then all you have to do is search for the TikTok account and add username here of your TikTok account and click on Save. Just like with the classic Facebook page, you have to have admin access. With the new Facebook pages, this is called Facebook Access. Before we would wrap up, just make sure to check out our free Facebook page growth checklist so you can get the 50 checkpoints we use every time to 10x the number of followers of any Facebook page. We are planning to charge money for this checklist in the future, so get it now for free until you can. You can get the checklist by clicking in the description below or search on Google for 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞 and add the query Facebook page growth checklist spreadsheet. Also, if you want to learn more about setting up, managing, growing a Facebook page, make sure to check out our Facebook page tutorial YouTube playlist that you can see on the screen here. See you next time.